Buddy, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. I am way overdue to do this box. So this is my Stitchfix box. I got this like 2 weeks ago and I've been needing to check out. But let's get into it. So I usually go over this, try it on. I actually have literally not gotten into this box. I just cut the packaging. But for all you guys that are new to Stitch Fix, I've been doing this for years. Since my daughter was born, I started it. So she is 5.5. So I've been doing this for 5.5 years. I don't even know. Let me see what number this is for me, but I've been doing it a long time. So I feel like I've gotten a pretty good feel of this service and can give lots of tips and trades. This is my 56th box. So, all right, anyway, what Stitch Fix is it's a subscription service that you can decide how frequently you want it. Every month, every 3 weeks, every quarter. As you want it, you can decide, and you get a personal stylist that decides by your profile, and you can link it to like Pinterest pages and all sorts of things. They put together clothing options. There's 5 options that they put together. If you keep all 5, you get 25% off. And you have to pay a $20 styling fee unless you're given something called a style pass, which is not offered to everybody, but to those folks who probably spend way too much money with them, like myself. And that's a $49 a year fee that gets me unlimited fixes. Now, if you do the $20 a month or $20 fee, you get that back towards whatever you purchase. Same with the $49 one. If you send everything back, unfortunately, you lose the $20 fee. So anyway, my box is little, so that means I'm not getting any big bags or anything. They always send you a card here. And let me see if it's my same stylist. So I've had the same stylist for quite a while. Her name is Christian, and she says, "Happy Fix Day. How is it going? How was your romantic getaway?" I told her we were having a romantic getaway. And then she asked about our recent trip to the Grand Canyon. So anyway, she sent me some jeans and some other stuff. So we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. I told her it's getting warm. I believe she lives in a similar part of the country as me. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Now, the other thing that they do for you is they send you this little card here that tells you how many fixes you've had and then the prices of everything. So I'll kind of go over that. If I keep everything, my discount's $97.50. Like I said, I have the style pass. All right. They also always send you a little baggie to return everything. And then it looks like we have in here a little card about some of the fabric of one of the things that I got in here. DL 1961, they're talking about sustainable fabric. All right, let's get into the first item here. And then what I'll do at the end is pause and try it on. I'm like way overdue to check out. They're going to charge me soon. All right, so this first thing is the Nakamal Kendra stone pendant necklace in white. It's $48. I believe I have received something from this brand before. This is a little card. It says each piece is handcrafted using natural gemstones. I love these specialized jewelry pieces that they send from these companies. They're always kind of fun and different and unique. This is what the piece looks like. That is, it doesn't really show up as well on my camera here, but this is a gemstone here as well as this one. That is super pretty. I actually really do like that. So that's what it looks like. There's the clasps on the back. It's got the beadwork. That is really, really pretty. So this is what it looks like on. Very nice. Looks like something I would wear. And they usually come with a little baggie here. So if you guys notice, I'm kind of going like this a lot. I usually sit down for my videos. I put up my ring light and my stand for my camera up high so that when I try these on, I don't have to readjust the camera. But then I don't know what to do with myself because I'm standing here. Okay, so this is my little roll of clothing. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so there should be 4 items here based on the fact that we got a piece of jewelry. All right, so this is the first item. Ooh, it's a maxi dress. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so this is a maxi dress. I'm gonna stand back to show you guys a little bit better here. So as you can see, with a little tie here. And this is the Gemma tie waist maxi dress by the company Michael Stars in dark gray. And let's see if they have the fabric type, because I know some people have wanted to find out the fabric type. See if I can find it here for you guys. Oh, I don't see the fabric type here. It is stretchy at the waistband. Okay, I don't see the fabric type, but I'm sure I will figure it out later. Let's see the price on this one here. So this fabric type, ooh, of course, I have expensive taste. This is $168. This is in the size medium, so that is really pretty. All right, next item here is the Lemon Tart brand Blakemore split neck top in medium black. It's $58. This is kind of more my average price range. You can totally set your price ranges for higher or lower. I've just found that over time I like the slightly higher price range, but if that is out of your budget, the lower price range stuff they have is actually quite nice, and I do like a lot of it. Okay, so this is 100% polyester, machine wash, gentle with same colors. This is totally cute. The only thing I could totally see about this is for me, when they cut in like this, I have little chicken wings right here. They can look a little funky, but that I really like the color and everything. All right, next item here is the Market and Spruce. I love Market and Spruce. I have a lot of their stuff. I don't know how this is gonna fit. It looks a little short in the front. So this is the shirt here. This is the Ansel Scoop neck dolman knit top, like pink in size medium. I'm a little worried about the length. I do have some other tops from them that I really like. This one is $48, so we'll see. And then the final thing here is Leela Ryan Travis shorts. Oh, okay, so I think these are gonna fit nicely just looking at them. They're stretchy. The only thing I worry about is they're white and potentially see-through. So we'll see. I'm not wearing white underwear or nude underwear today, so this could be quite interesting because I don't really want to go get on underwear that is not going to show through right now. But anyway, all right, let's go into, let me see what this is made out of before I go and try it on and let you guys know my final thoughts. So this is 68% cotton, 29% rayon, 3% spandex. Ooh, I'm excited about these. And then this one, I feel like most of their stuff is polyester, but I could be wrong. This feels stretchy. This is 48% rayon, 48% polyester, and 4% spandex. Okay guys, I'm going to pause, try on some stuff, and come back. My hair is a disaster and my makeup is not having a good day, but that's okay. All right, I'll be back. All right guys, here's the first thing. This is the really expensive maxi dress. And I'm gonna scooch all the way back so you can kind of see. Unfortunately, you can't see to my feet, but this actually goes all the way down to my ankles. I don't know about this. Like, it's cute. I don't think it's totally and completely flattering on me. I feel like I almost would do better in a size up, but I don't love it. Like, it's not horrible. I'm definitely wearing the wrong bra for it, but it is a very, very pretty dress. I love the length. I think the color is pretty. I just don't know if I love this. And for the price, I want to love the dress. I have so many dresses recently I haven't been able to wear because I gained some weight, and I'm almost refusing to buy anything until I either lose weight or learn to, you know, love where I'm at, which I'm not going to be for a while. So I think this is probably going to be a send back, which is a shame. It is so pretty. It is so cute. I really do like it. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work for me. All right, next item. All right, guys, here's the next outfit. This is the dolman, which I was a little worried about the length, but actually the length is not bad. And these are the shorts. And ignore the fact that I'm wearing purple underwear and you can totally see through it. These shorts are amazing. You can't really see because of obviously camera here, but they are stretchy. They feel like butter. They're comfortable. Oh my gosh, can they please make these in every other color and send me like all of them? I love these shorts. These fit so beautifully. They make me feel skinny. So definitely gonna keep both of these. I like both of these. I don't know, The dolman tops have kind of become my mommy wear favorites. They're just slouchy and comfortable and everything. So I like them. All right, last thing I'm going to do is put on the last top and then I'll be back. All right guys, last top, I just paired it with the white shorts again. Exactly what I thought. I don't think the top looks bad on me, but I am not a fan of this cut on me. Even when I was underweight back at beginning of college, and I mean, I was like underweight. I was 6 foot and like 135 pounds, super underweight. I still have these little things. I call them my chicken wings. And these types of tops make me look very wide, and it's just me. And there's no good way to make them look good on me. I like my shoulders, but I just don't think overall it's a flattering look for me. And so this top is super adorable. If the neckline was a little bit different, I would totally be up for it because I love the flowers. I think otherwise the detailing is adorable. I even like it from the back. Like this part of me is fine. But that's just me. That's my self-conscious. I know I won't wear them. You guys are probably gonna look at this and be like, it looks fine, but it's just not my thing. So I probably will not keep it. All right, I'm gonna get back into my original outfit and then we'll talk about everything and some tips and trades I have. All right guys, back. Okay, just a quick aside, I forgot to mention this in the beginning of my video, but if you haven't, go to my subscriber giveaway. I have a 500 subscriber giveaway giveaway going on between now and May 31st. I'll put the link above and in the description below if you haven't already checked that out. But anyway, so the Lemon Tart Blakemore top was $58. That was this one. I didn't love how it looked on me, so that one I'm probably going to send back. I really loved the Lila Ryan Travis shorts. I think those I love them. They were in size 10. They were $68. I'm keeping those. I did like the necklace. I'm debating on whether I'm going to keep it. The maxi dress was $168. I just didn't love it enough to buy it. It's a beautiful dress. It's just not enough for me to buy it. So I'll be sending that back. And then I really liked the Market and Spruce Dolman, which was $48. So total, I am looking at, if I just keep the two things that I absolutely know I love, then we're looking at $116. And then give or take $160 if I do the necklace. So that's everything. I could have been $292 if I kept everything. This is one of those cases where if I had, let's say, only disliked the top with the cutout arms here, it would have been cheaper to keep it than send it back because my discount was $97.50. So anything that was less than $97 was going to be worthwhile to keep if I was only going to send back one item. But since I knew the big ticket item, the $168 maxi, I wasn't going to keep, pretty much it's worthwhile to send back whatever I want. Just a little other aside notes about Stitchfix. They now do things where you can add on different daily stuff. There's socks, underwear, bras. I'm not a big fan of the bras that they have. I do like the socks. I do like some of the underwear they have. If you haven't checked that out, I definitely think it's worth it. It doesn't count towards the overall discount. I'm trying to think other stuff. Yeah, oh, and now they allow you a longer turnaround time. So it used to be you got the package, you had to turn it in 3 days. Now they allow you to extend it up. It's like a ridiculous amount of time. And I'll be honest, I use pretty much all the time that they give me. The other thing to be in note is different subscription services use different return envelopes. Definitely pay attention to that. I do the Stitch Fix style one as well, and they use a completely different carrier than Stitch Fix does. So if you do multiple of these services, make sure you pay attention to that so you don't get stuck sending back like a $200 dress and then you just don't return it because it gets lost in the wrong box. So anyway, guys, that is all. I hope you are having a great week. I have a couple more boxes to do. I just thought this would be fun. And then I'll start doing some fun videos that are unrelated to my subscription services, like I usually do towards the end of the month and beginning of the next month until all my boxes roll in. If there's a particular thing you'd like to see, let me know. Someone said that they'd like to see my hair routine, although today is not the day to follow my hair routine. I think I'll do a video on that. But anyway, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.